A couple of weeks ago, I spotted this fan bearing bracket on eBay in Dubai. It is new old stock, despite what it looks like. It has just been sitting on the shelf for just over 17 years, no doubt in the middle of the desert. That is just bare metal on the top there, so some surface rust is expected. That's the part number and the date of packing or manufacturing for anyone interested. This is for the Catalyst version cars because it has the extra mounting point for the auxiliary air pump. I went ahead and cleaned up that surface corrosion on that hub as best as I could, and it is definitely new because there are no scratches around the mounting holes. You want to make sure you change that O-ring in the front cover before mounting the fan bearing bracket. I'm not sure what the theory is there, but that's going straight into the timing case, and perhaps there would be an oil leak from there if that O-ring is not changed. Some clown in the past did substitute one of the shorter bolts for a 60mm bolt, and it's supposed to be 65. And I did crack out the first two threads before I noticed that. And then I changed the two shorter bolts for 70mm bolts instead of 65s. So they're rock solid now. And just another word of caution, there is no mounting dowels for this thing. It's very adjustable. So you want to make sure that the O-ringed hole is central to the hole in the bracket, and also that mounting point on the left for the air pump is central as well.